Have you connected to Wi-Fi before, but now you forgot the password and want to use it on another device? Don't worry, you can reveal the password easily using just your computer and command prompt. No software, no hacks. Go to the Start menu, type CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. You need admin access to view Wi-Fi profile details. Now type this command, netwlan show profiles, and press enter. It will list all the Wi-Fi networks your PC has ever connected to. This gives you the exact Wi-Fi profile name you need to retrieve the password. Pick the Wi-Fi name you want from the list and replace it in this command. netwlan show profile name equals your Wi-Fi name key equals clear. Then press enter. This command will display detailed settings of the selected network, including the password. Now scroll down. Under Security Settings, look for Key Content. That's your saved Wi-Fi password. And that's it, a simple way to find your Wi-Fi password using CMD. No apps or tools required.